the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 27, The Escapade and the Trap. Imagination is the bridge between reality and fantasy. It helps you cross over from the side of the idea to the side of the execution. All growth requires a bridge to channel the confluence of ideas and span the distance between the dream and the decision. You don't have to start from 0 point, but you do have to work on the arc of your progress. To begin, just figure out today and leave tomorrow to tomorrow. Whether you build out of love or necessity, you will still have to go the distance. Success is always on the other side. Not every venture is successful, but one good success can negate most failures. Good ideas are not the same as a good business. The thought is different from the action, although they are still connected. To get up to the next level and get on to the next task, you have to give up something and leave it in the now. You have to release yourself from the chains in which you entwine yourself. Thoughts are anchors in the moment that you have to release if you want to own it. Move on from the belief that you are the smartest man or woman in the room. Don't just listen to those around you, but aim to understand what you are hearing. Construct with connectivity. It's better to add new concepts than abandon the past. When you want to sell, you have to communicate with your client or customer. You have to be in contact enough to ensure that more people spread the good news about your product or your service. Principles. 1. Stop micromanagement of every facet and detail. 2. Resources, such as money and people, are the orbit of every business. 3. You compete in price or you compete with your brand. 4. People need to be educated to understand what they are buying. 5. Loyalty through assistance leads to credibility. 6. Realize how your organization is different from all of the competition. Look forward as much as you wish to look back. See the distance. Look how far you've come. The days add up and stack up on top of one another. As you look around, look for what you can do right now as much as you think about what you can do next. Always be creative and you will find new roads to new destinations. Learn to trade the efforts and products of your labor. If you need something to change, then you have to change your focus. No thoughts benefit you more than the ability to act. Involve yourself in the life of the community. Seek knowledge and not prejudice. Lend an ear to those honestly in need. Like it or not, everything happens exactly when it is supposed to. There is foolishness and freedom in seeking your own way. But this is the only way forward. If we want success, we have to be willing to progress at the same time as being unsatisfied with our progress. There is nothing wrong with the consideration of new ideas, but freedom will eventually result from freeing your mind. Unbind the ties that bind. Never be blind to what lies in front of you. The challenge is within the chase. The answers are within the case. People come with their own problems, just as they come with their own solutions. This is Motivation and Mindset for Leadership. If you are interested in an online lifestyle consultation, then please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.